Welcome to the channel. What if you could get leads on demand using Google Maps, either for free or for a one-time fee? Let's jump into Lead Sniper.
Alright, so you're a new business, you're trying to get leads for your business. Well, there are multiple lead scraping options on the internet. One of them is Leadstal. Now, you may have heard of Leadstal. You can get unlimited Google Maps scraping 100% free for this Ramadan. Now, lead generation data scraping extractor tools for everyone, and you can easily scrape and extract data from Google Maps, Instagram, Realtor, Zillow, Google search. You get the idea, and you can go to the dashboard, check it out. Now, they do have automated lead generation tools, Google Map Scraper, Instagram Scraper, Bing's Map Scraper. You get the idea. Now, you might be wondering, well, can I get started with this for free? Perhaps, but let's take a look at their pricing options, because a lot of people don't want to pay monthly for a lead scraper. Well, this company, unfortunately, charges you a monthly fee. They have the standard $9.99, $35 for businesses, and $100 for premium. Now, that might sound good in theory, and maybe you can get some great results with Leadstal. But now, what if there was a program that would generate you unlimited leads for a one-time payment and a free trial that did a way better job, that is absolutely destroying the competition? Well, you've got it right here with Lead Sniper. Now, this is a crazy Google Maps scraper. Now, I know that for a fact because I've been using it. I've talked to my other buddies who have been using it, and you know, we sit down every day and we're like, hey, how do we generate all these awesome leads? And they're like, well, have you heard of Lead Sniper? I'm like, yeah, I've heard of Lead Sniper. Do you use it? Yeah, I use it. And they generate thousands of quality targeted leads with every possible detail you can imagine, and it scrapes so many different locations in seconds. It's updated constantly with data coming in all the time. Bang, bang, boom, boom. Excited? I'm excited. You get this for only $149 or a free trial. You get unlimited support, unlimited leads, one-time fee, no hidden fees. You get the software for life for a one-time payment. And guess what? They got 12,000 happy customers. I'm using it. Other people that I know use it. And guess what? 17 million places have been scraped with 17 million phone numbers, 2 million emails, 4 million social medias, and over 800,000 reviews. How awesome is that? And the best part is, the features are easy to use. They're integrated right into the software. There's no technical expertise needed. You don't have to be a tech whiz to use this program. It's super intuitive, super easy, and it's going to save you time. That's right, because it's efficient, time conservative, and it's going to enhance your productivity like crazy. So if you're looking for a lead generation system that is off the map, so to speak, get Lead Sniper today. Alright, so I'm going to give you a demonstration of how Lead Sniper works, and we got two open here, and we're going to search for restaurants in different locations. So we're going to put in Milan and Verica, and we're going to hit start, boom, boom, right there. Very cool stuff. And you could just sit back while this does its magic, and it's going to scrape leads from all over those regions. Restaurants, coffee shops, whatever you want. It can scrape for anything. Doesn't really matter what it is. You're going to be able to get leads for your business using this program. So as you can see, we have 1,190 leads scraped from that, 1,196 scraped from that, and you can export to a CSV or XLSX. Now we're going to choose Google Sheets because it's a lot easier. So boom, you just download, bang, bang, right there. You open it up on that side, open it up on the other one, boom, boom. It's going to open to Google Sheets, bang, bang. There you go. Check that out. Very cool, very seamless, very easy. And it's going to collect all the information, the website, the phone number, the email, the address, maybe even the contact information of the owner, all that kind of cool stuff. So as you can see, look at that. You get all the emails from the business, you get the websites, you get the phone numbers, all that kind of awesome stuff using Google Leads Scraper. I'm really excited to use this to get leads for my own business as well. That's how Lead Sniper works in a nutshell. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this Lead Sniper video. Now as you can see, free trial, which is absolutely awesome. You also get 24-hour great customer support, and if you do decide to go for the paid version, it's only a one-time lifetime fee of $149. Get those leads, get your business going.